Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, we're gonna get to the battery in this Volkswagen key fob. What you wanna do is, first thing, you wanna open the switchblade, and then with the Volkswagen emblem facing up, we want to grab it with our 2 fingers and just pull. We're gonna grab right in here and pull up like that. And that's how you get to the battery. And this battery is a CR2032. It's a watch battery. And what you can do is, with a pick or a flat blade tool, just pop it right there, and the battery will pop out. To reinstall, just gonna push right under. There's 2 little tabs that's gotta go underneath. We'll take the connector, the cover, and just push it right down. Here at 1A Auto, we have this nice fancy GTI keychain, which should be great if you had a Volkswagen GTI. It goes good with the key. What you can do is take a flat blade tool, get it in here. You can slip the key into it. And just go around. And you have this stylish Volkswagen GTI keychain.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.